So I'm getting started on appetizer. Super simple, bacon wrapped avocados. For our main course, we're having lobster mac and cheese. Boiling the cavatappi, or I think that's how you say it. So cavatappi pasta, and then baking the lobster meat. Should be ready in about 4 minutes. So we've taken out the lobster, chopped it up a little bit. Now we're working on the sauce for our lobster mac and cheese. Looking good so far. Put all the ingredients together, just folding in the lobster and the pasta. Pasta fell and Tate got to it, and he quit. We're gonna set up the table, these rose petals, these little lights. Hopefully it comes out nice. Bacon wrapped avocados with a sriracha mayo zesty sauce and lobster mac and cheese. And some soda.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm about to do my nails. So last week, actually not even last week, Monday, I did polygel on my nails and it just didn't work out. Ripped them all off the next day. So I ordered a bunch of stuff for acrylics and dip powder, and I don't know when it's coming. I think it could come next week or the week after. So until then, I have one more static nail, like reusable press-on nails. I had the ombre ones before and they lasted like over 2 weeks. However, they aren't reusable because the ones that I had, like the paint was chipping off and it like bent on one of them so you could like see the line. So they're really good, super easy to apply. They lasted 2+ weeks, but I just don't think that that one was reusable. Maybe I'm super rough with my hands. I don't know. I'm gonna do these ones today, which are like coffin shape and they're like a mauve-y purple color. Nails are done. The reason why I like these also is it takes literally like 5 minutes. You just file down the top, put a little bit of glue and then pop them on. So I didn't put as much glue on because I'm probably gonna take these off in like the next week or so. But the color's really nice and the shape is really nice too. Anyways, I just want to show you guys. Today is the 25th. But mine and Maynard's monthsary, but our anniversary is September 24th. And so every month for the past, I don't know how many months, but he's been getting me flowers delivered to the house. My camera died, so it's charging. For the past months, he has been getting me flowers every month on the 24th, which I absolutely love because I love the smell of fresh flowers. So having fresh flowers in the house every month is amazing. I still have my roses that I have from Valentine's Day, so I'm actually going to try to dry them because since we moved into our own house, I only have one vase. So, and they're still good. I'll show you in a second, but they're still good, but they are kind of drying out. So I'm just going to dry them and see what happens. And then these are the flowers that he got delivered today. They're so pretty.
Third 2-point loss of the year for the Nuggets. Third 2-point win for the Wizards, who have won 7 of their 12 games by 4 points or
Chevy safety assist. Standard on every 2020 Chevy Equinox. Current competitive owners with an eligible GM credit card can get a $7,500 total allowance on most 2020 Equinox models. See your Bay Area Chevy dealers today.
They're your whole world. That's why Chrysler built a vehicle with the most standard safety features on the road. And it's also why we made it
They are laying together. Are you guys best friends?
slide it anywhere, huh?
So big now.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Like I said in the previous vlog, I am going to be trying to do weekly vlogs, and today we are having Brenna and Chris over and we're actually doing Korean barbecue, which it's been a while since we've had Korean barbecue. Probably the one thing I missed because of quarantine, but they're coming over and we're gonna be doing it at home. And yeah, I'm currently making some ube crinkle cookies because those are their favorite.
Am I Jenn vlog ready?
Yes.
Is she vlogging tonight? I gotta change. I gotta change. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready.
No, that doesn't happen.
You're just eating lettuce.
That was small.
They give you HBO Max.
We moved it by the window because the smoke alarm went off.
Yeah, I wish we filmed that.
I know, I wish I was us freaking out.
I used the pillow and I was like fanning it.
I was just like, I don't know what to grab.
It's smoking.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
Flavor, just different colors.
Wow. Aesthetics. Wow.
Like slow-mo that too.
Slow-mo it.
Oh.
What are you guys doing in there? Did you just do a somersault? Thank you. Oh, hit him in the head. Go. Oh, you're like a bunny. What he's doing. Wardell. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is Sunday. I didn't vlog much last night. I don't know like what footage we got, but we did Korean barbecue in our dining area, and I didn't think about all the smoke that comes from a Korean barbecue, so our alarm went off, and so we actually moved like our dining table into our living room just because it's close to the sliding door, which the alarm didn't go off again, but it did get pretty smoky in here, so we kept having to like just precaution like fan out the smoke. So it was a little chaotic last night, but it was well worth it. Today is Sunday, and Sunday is usually like, one, it's my filming day for YouTube as well as cleaning day. I just like to have Sundays as like my cleaning day just because I like to start the week off with a clean house. I'm no expert at cleaning, but today's focus is mainly going to be the kitchen. Today we are testing something out. So, let me turn on the lights here. So we have a gas stove top, and I've never cleaned like this part of the stove since we moved in. It's been about 3 months, and it's not horrible, I don't think. Like, it doesn't look crusty, but I can tell that there are some focus. I can tell there's some just like oil stains, which is natural. We're going to soak those things in our sink with hot water and dishwasher pods. We'll see how clean it gets. And also, you want to get your water as hot as possible. It just has the hinges and you slide it out. one thing I wanted to, I guess a tip that I have. I bought these microfiber cloths off Amazon. It was like $10, $15, I'll link it down below, but it was like $10, $15 for like a lot of them. And they're just these really small microfiber cloths, and it's perfect because you don't want to use a big towel for one thing and then you have to get another towel. So I literally use these microfiber cloths for whatever I'm cleaning at that moment, throw it off to the side, get a new one. Microfiber cloths are also really nice because they don't leave streaks. And then at the end of it, I just throw them all in the washer together. All right, so all of the countertops are clean. Okay, now you can kind of see it. There's still some oil. The vinegar didn't take it all away. I did feel like it helped. But if anybody has any tips, I think I want to go get some oven cleaner to like really degrease it. Yeah, other than that, it looks pretty good. Everything else is clean. This is soaking for another hour or two. I just want to show you. This is how many towels I used just for the kitchen. So that's why I like using these towels, because they're small. You sleepy? You're sleepy in the wild. Let's awake. Why are you biting your own foot? They switched crates. Clay is in that one now. Wardell is in the big one for now, and he looks so small.
I don't want to say strapping to my back, but that's why I'm asking you, because I consider you family. Oh, well, as a family member, I feel we can say anything to each other. And quite frankly, your lifestyle choices are making me just a little nervous. Don't worry about me.
Do you guys want something? What do you guys want? Oh my gosh, Wardell, you're so much taller than Clay now. Wardell was here. I swear, all of my clothes, all of my pants, every single one of my sweats, majority of my PJ pants have freaking holes and tears in them. And so once he's out of this phase, I'm buying all new clothes. Okay, bye.